Who here wants to learn the secret of making profitable trades no matter what the market is doing? No, nobody? Yes, Mark, very good. Thank you. Okay, think about this. Do you believe, you have to be honest, do you believe that mastering day trading could be your key to unlocking financial freedom? Even from this moment. Good. Janina, thank you. I hope I can see this belief in your eyes. It's fantastic. Okay, welcome officially. I'm excited to see you here today, ready to take this important step towards consistency in the trading world. I'm Sebastian again, you know me from the webinar, and I'm here to guide you through this journey. Your presence here tells me that you're not just dreamers. That's very important for you. It's very, very important that you are aware that you are actually doers. You don't just dream, but you take action. So congratulations for being here. And yeah, thank you very much for your time, for taking the time to invest in yourself. By the end of the course, you won't just have knowledge today, you'll have a new mindset, you'll view the market with a perspective that sets you apart from a casual trader. Okay? Together, we're going to uncover the principles that can make the market a source of prosperity. If we follow some rules and some steps, then we can go there without any issue. So get ready to take notes, guys. Ask questions, very important. Take notes, ask questions, and fully engage, okay? Have no retainments. We have 3 persons today, so we are very good to discuss any questions that you have, any engagement that you have. Your financial freedom is very important, and your financial freedom starts now, okay? Good. Let's go. Let's talk about our game plan for today. Agree? Good. We're not just going to scratch the surface, you know. We're going a bit deeper into some strategies that can help getting to the success in day trading. So it's going to be, we're going to start by building a solid foundation with the basics of the market, and then build on top of this foundation, understanding the language and the rhythm, okay, of the market. Good or good? Then we'll move into the core of day trading. We will recognize some patterns, we will time the market, and we will make some decisions that can count to, you know, getting profitable trades in our account. We'll cover the essential tools every successful trader needs in their arsenal, and I'll share with you some of the strategies that have helped me and many others to make some consistent gains. But it's not just about strategies. Be careful, okay? You might take some notes here. It's about you. We will look into the psychology of trading, because the right mindset is your most powerful asset. Guys, did you hear it? Let me repeat it. The right mindset is your most powerful asset. We'll come to this later during the course today, but this is really important. We'll explore how you stay disciplined, how you manage risk, and how you keep your emotions in check to make smart and calculated trades. And we won't stop here. We're going to wrap up with real-world applications. You'll learn how to create a personalized trading plan that aligns with your financial goals, and I'll show you how to adapt it and as far as you are growing. So this is more than a course. It's a transformational experience. It's a practical experience. We'll go later this afternoon and open a broker account. And this experience hopefully will equip you to with the knowledge and confidence to take control over your trading success and your financial future. So Once again, stay engaged, ask questions, and let's get ready to make some serious steps in your trading journey. Question before going to the next slide. Answer this seriously. Are you ready to take this leap? Because I'm ready to lead the way.